Hi folks, Doc Rogers here. I'm going to show you a magic trick involving the use of a quarter. Watch that quarter very, very carefully. I will take that quarter and just like that, in the snap of my hands, that quarter disappears. Now, is it here or is it here? That is called the snap coin vanish. I'll teach you how to do that trick. But if there's anybody there you'd rather them not know how the trick works, we'll give you 5 seconds to pause the video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I am now going to teach you how to do the snap coin vanish. You know, for years, we wizards have been accused of hiding things up our sleeves. And if that's how you thought the trick works, congratulations, you are absolutely correct. Because all I did was snap that coin up my sleeve. You can do it too. But there's a couple of things that experience has taught old Doc Rogers to be careful of. One, make sure you hold that coin at the end of your thumb and finger. Not the top edge, but the bottom edge. And you're just going to hold that thumb and finger like you're going to snap your thumb and finger together. When you hold this, you're going to need to have long sleeves that aren't buttoned. So it really needs to be a coat sleeve. If you have a long sleeve shirt and the sleeve is down and buttoned, you're not going to be able to get it up your sleeve. Okay? You're going to hold your hand so the back of your hand is in line with your arm. If you hold it up like this, or if you hold it down like this, it's not lined up to shoot that coin up your sleeve. It'll happen quick. Just like that. Now, believe it or not, that coin is up my sleeve. So you practice getting that so it goes up your sleeve. Now, that begs a question. How do you get the coin back? Because you don't want to walk around the rest of the day doing this, but if you let your hand down or your arm down, that coin's going to fall out. So I make it reappear. I say, where's the coin? Is it here? And I'm going to drop my right hand down to my side while everybody is looking up here. And I will cup my fingers so when that coin falls out, it'll fall into my fingertips. I'll say, is it here? No. And then I just put the coin behind my ear and say, no, it's here. So that's a trick called the snap coin vanish. There's a couple of other things to be aware of this. When you practice this, you're going to miss your sleeve. Even Doc Rogers misses his sleeve, and I've been doing this for a long, long time. Make sure there's nobody standing over here, or anything that's breakable like glasses or a vase. That would be very expensive to replace if that coin shoots over there and hits it and breaks it. One time I did this trick and I did that and the coin was gone and I tucked my sleeve down and it wasn't there. And I looked all over that room I was in and I never found it. That is the only time that I know I did real magic and not just a trick. So that's the snap coin vanish from your friend, Doc Rogers.